Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can switch between the front and the back camera on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen launch the camera app. And while you are in photo mode or in video mode, you can tap on this switch button at the bottom here. This will allow you to switch between the front camera and the back camera. So this is the front camera and this is the back camera. Now you need to switch your camera before you actually taking a photo or video. So let's say if I'm using the back camera to take a video, to record a video, once it is recorded, you will not be able to switch your camera. You can only zoom in or zoom out, but you will not be able to switch to the front or the back camera. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.